Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is about how can a person learn anything fast and excel in it. 1. Do preliminary research. Find few books, YouTube videos, tutorials, courses, and so on about the skill that you want to learn. Make sure that you choose high quality resources. Go through your resources quickly in order to help you to begin to identify what you need to do in order to learn the skill. Don't get bogged down with details at this point. You're just trying to develop a general mental framework of the process that you'll follow to learn the skill. 2. Have a mentor. Let's be honest, if you want to do it on your own, it's going to take you ages to figure out how to do it. Here where mentors are needed. In fact, mentors are crucial in helping individuals connect the dots between their abilities and their potential, their goals and their successes. They provide the advice, confidence and the network that allows individuals find their avenue of success. 3. Focus on the small tasks and study them. Every complex task is made up of a series of steps. Pick a step and focus solely on that step. Break a sale call into component pieces. First, focus on perfecting your opening. No customer is the same, so develop modifications you can instantly apply to different scenarios. Deconstruct each step, master that step, and move on to the next one. When you put all the pieces back together, your skills will be markedly improved. The same strategy goes for all the other skills, whether business, sports, public speaking, chess, or any other skill you want to master. 4. Invest in losing, which means fail as much as you can but learn from mistakes. Adapt and modify your techniques so you constantly improve, because when you keep improving, you keep having fun. And all the focused efforts you put in will once again feel worth it. 5. Do it every day for months. The key to developing your skills is to practice them. Practicing a skill may seem daunting at first, since it may be more difficult to practice them than academic or technical work. But the more you practice, the better you'll get. And the better you get, the easier it will be for you to build your self-esteem, relate to others, or achieve a goal you've always worked toward. Like many things in life, it's up to you whether you acquire these skills or not. You can help yourself build the foundation for success in your career and personal development. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see more interesting videos, please subscribe, like and share.